Let's begin with a gentle warm-up to relax your whole body. This Tai Chi Walking workout helps you burn belly fat, unwind, and sleep better naturally. Just follow the smooth, flowing movements and enjoy a calm, refreshing exercise for your body and mind. Exercise 1. Three, two, one. Start. March gently in place while letting your arms swing naturally. Keep your body relaxed and move with a calm, steady rhythm. Exercise 2. Three, two, one. Begin. Gently bend your knees and open your arms wide to the sides. Stay relaxed and enjoy a stable, comfortable posture. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Slowly raise your hands to shoulder height while keeping your elbows relaxed. Move smoothly and maintain a soft, natural rhythm. Exercise 4. Three, two, one. Join me. Guide your hands gently to the side as you softly rotate your upper body. Stay relaxed and let the movement flow naturally from side to side. Exercise 5. Three, two, one. Follow along. Slowly open your arms to the sides while keeping your shoulders relaxed. Move gently and enjoy a smooth, flowing rhythm. Exercise 6. Three, two, one. Move with me. Open your arms wide and slowly lean to one side. Keep your shoulders relaxed and let the movement remain calm and flowing. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Let's do it together. Open your arms from a low stance and gently bring your hands together above your head. Breathe naturally and enjoy the smooth upward movement. Exercise 8. Three, two, one. Begin. Take a soft step forward while allowing your arms to move naturally. Stay relaxed and maintain a calm, steady rhythm. Exercise 9. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Gently bring your hands toward the center of your body as you softly bend your knees. Stay relaxed and feel balanced and centered. Exercise 10. Three, two, one. Join me. Gently rotate your upper body to the side while moving your arms smoothly. Stay relaxed and let your whole body flow together naturally. Exercise 11. Three, two, one. Follow along. Reach one arm diagonally upward and let your eyes follow the movement. Stay relaxed and enjoy a gentle, flowing, full-body stretch. Next exercise, gentle cool down. Take slow, deep breaths and allow your whole body to relax. Pause for a moment and enjoy the calm, peaceful feeling. You've just taken another step toward a healthier body and a calmer mind. Keep practicing regularly, and you'll feel the benefits day by day. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next Tai Chi session.